Welcome to step 7. We're almost at the end. I want to tell you in this step about the extra perks that come with the whole child reading program. These are items that are always included in every single bundle, whether it's the emergent reader or the primer level or the first grade level, or the 3-in-1 bundle, which is the complete program. First, of course, there's the whole child reading book, which is your mini textbook for the entire program. And even if you don't have the program, it's your textbook for how am I going to teach my child with Down syndrome or autism to read and do it quickly and successfully and make us all feel great about what we're doing. So I always recommend starting with that once you get your reading bundle from me. Start there, because you'll have such a depth of understanding and you'll know about all the techniques and what works and what doesn't work with our kids. After you've read it through once, of course, then you can easily go back and jump into the chapters that you need for whatever it is you're working on at that time. The second very useful extra is the Parent and Educator Guide. Now that's a booklet that has many resources in it, including running records in the back of the book. For every single book in the entire program, you're going to find running records for vocabulary for both the high frequency word list, which you'll find at the top of each page, and then the content words at the bottom of each running records page. So you can keep track there of the date and of how much has been learned or what still needs to be mastered. Also in the Parent and Educator Guide, there are lots of tips on structuring your teaching session. How much time do you have? How should you split it up? So that's the complete package. You have all of the high frequency word books, you have all of the picture books, you have all of the flashcards, which are the largest possible that I could find to acquire and then send to you, as well as the PDFs of the high interest words, the content words, which I send to you. After you order, I send you that, and I also send one last perk, the parent recipe. I was giving a workshop and one of the moms at the end said, help, help, help. I don't know what to do in the first week or the second week or the third week. I need a parent recipe. So indeed, I have designed that, and that will come to you as a PDF along with the red cards, the red content cards, and everything else. My goal was to give you everything you needed so that you didn't have to do what I had to do 34 years ago, which was create every bit of material by myself. And the happy ending story for my own son, Jonathan, was when I started to teach him at age 4.5, by the time he was 8.5 or so, he was a completely independent reader. He had learned how to decode. There was no problem. He was launched, and that was the end of my job. I never taught him to read again. He was an independent reader, or what we call an orthographic reader, skilled, effortless reading. He doesn't have to think about it. He just reads. And of course, that's what we want for all of our kids. I hope this program helps you get there. And there's one more step at the end. So I'll see you there.